Looking to migrate from Wix to WordPress but worry about data loss, downtime, or platform incompatibility? You're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to migrate from Wix to WordPress hassle-free with LitExtension's all-in-one migration service. Migrating from Wix to WordPress isn't as simple as drag and drop your data between platforms. First, you need to export your Wix data as CSV files. Since Wix and WordPress structure data differently, each file must be reformatted, its fields adjusted, and its data mapped correctly before import. For a large store, this process can take days or even weeks and is highly prone to human error. Wix also limits each product export to 5,000 rows. If your catalog exceeds this limit, you may need to create, modify, and import several CSV files separately, adding even more manual work. Second, if you want to migrate your Wix blog, you can download the post through its RSS feed as an XML file and import it into WordPress. However, the feed does not transfer images. Therefore, you will have to manually recreate them on the new WordPress site. All in all, transferring from Wix to WordPress involves several challenges and requires a meticulous approach to ensure a smooth platform switch. But with LitExtension's all-in-one migration service, you won't have to worry about any of that. First of all, you can rely on our knowledge about both Wix and WordPress since LitExtension already has over 15 years of experience. Even better, there will be a personal assistant to manage the migration from start to end. Plus, all additional options are included at no extra cost. And once your migration is complete, we offer up to 60 days of free technical support to resolve issues, if any. Now, let's take a look at how LitExtension handles this process for you. First, you'll start with a one-on-one consultation with our migration experts. We'll discuss your requirements, review your store on Wix, and confirm the exact needs for a successful migration to Shopify. Next, your dedicated personal assistant will set up your target store on WordPress and customize the data mapping system to prepare a proper environment for the migration. Once everything is ready, we'll run a demo migration to ensure the data transfers correctly. Our team will validate the results, and you'll have the chance to review the demo to make sure everything looks right. After you're satisfied with the demo, we move on to the full migration from Wix to WordPress. As mentioned, additional migration options are included at no extra cost. Once the full data migration completes, we will conduct several rounds of testing to ensure that all data has been accurately and completely migrated according to your requirements. After testing, we'll ask for your final confirmation of the migration results. Finally, we provide post-migration support. This includes unlimited recent data migration, 2 free remigrations, unlimited free smart updates, all with specific conditions applied, and up to 60 days of technical support. And that's how seamless it is to migrate from Wix to WordPress using LitExtension's all-in-one migration service. Enjoy all the exclusive benefits when migrating from Wix to WordPress with LitExtension, including accurate and secure data transfers from Wix to WordPress. Clear migration process is offered before getting to the real work. Inclusive additional migration options at no extra cost. Keep selling while migrating because we ensure 100% store uptime. Personalized migration experience to meet all your requirements, and post-migration support to give you complete peace of mind. So go for LitExtension, your trusted expert in e-commerce migration.